Hi, my name is Olaf and today we'll do the classic tiramisu. So for the lady fingers, we will start with the eggs to be separated from egg whites and egg yolk. Whisk together the egg yolks with sugar until it's pale. Whip the egg whites with the sugar until it forms a meringue. You fold the egg yolks with the egg whites and add the all-purpose flour and fold in it. Pour it inside a piping bag and pipe it on a baking mat. Dust it with icing sugar and bake it in a preheated oven 190 degrees centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes. Cool it down and leave it aside. Now for the tiramisu cream. We whip the egg yolk with sugar on a bain-marie until it's a pale and creamy consistency. We cream the mascarpone with the sabayon. The egg yolks and the sugar, when you whip it, you call it as sabayon. So you fold it inside the sabayon, then you fold it with the whipped cream, with the vanilla in it. For the coffee syrup, which has already been prepared, you need espresso with some sugar and a coffee liquor. Soak the lady fingers that were pre-baked into the coffee liquor and start to assemble it in a tiramisu dish, or you can even use a glass or a martini glass, whatever you wish to use. Just layer it with the tiramisu cream and the lady fingers soaked in the syrup. Garnish it with a dusting of cocoa powder. And for the freshness, you can even put it some fresh berries on it. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Happy baking!